Motorola Edge Plus. This flagship phone from Motorola is packed with features that are sure to impress. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest and the greatest in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for exciting and informative content. Let's dive right in. The Motorola Edge Plus boasts a stunning 6.7-inch OLED display with curved edges, providing an immersive viewing experience. The HDR10 Plus certification ensures vibrant colors and deep blacks, making movies, photos, and games come to life right in the palm of your hand. Under the hood, the Motorola Edge Plus is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, ensuring seamless multitasking and smooth performance. Whether you are gaming, streaming, or running demanding apps, this phone can handle it all with ease. One of the standout features of the Motorola Edge Plus is its camera setup. It sports a versatile triple camera system, including a 108 megapixel primary sensor, a 16 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens, and 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Capture stunning photos with incredible detail and enjoy the flexibility to shoot wide angle or zoomed in shots. In terms of battery life, the Motorola Edge Plus won't let you down. With its 5000 mAh of battery, you can enjoy all-day usage without constantly worrying about running out of power. And when you need to recharge, the phone supports 18-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging, ensuring you are always ready to go. To wrap it up, the Motorola Edge Plus is a feature-packed smartphone that offers a captivating display, powerful performance, impressive camera capabilities, and long-lasting battery life. And that's it for today. Hope you really enjoyed it. Please do check out our website for the best renewed smartphone deals. Thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews.